Hey family, this is Moody Mom. Today we're going to the Dollar Tree to get some things for Mother's Day. I'm so excited, and just come along with me. Make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss a video, and a like as well. And we thank you for watching. Now come on, let's go. To the Dollar Tree now. So today I'm walking in here and I'm trying to get a buggy to figure out, because I know I'm gonna get a lot of stuff, y'all. So the first thing I see is this barbecue set. Look at this. This is nice for people that like to barbecue. I mainly think that's more for men, but I know it's a lot of women that barbecue. And then look at all these cleaning supplies. This is not what I am going to get my mother or mother-in-law for Mother's Day. However, when I walk in, this is the first thing I see. Next, we walk over here to the flowers. I am going to get some of these flowers to give to my mother in her basket and my mother-in-law. If you are going to have a party for your mother or mother-in-law, I believe that this is some great silverware and cups and platters that you can use. This would be wonderful for Mother's Day. What I am going to do is let you listen to the music and enjoy. I will come in and out speaking, but I decided this video, I want you just to relax and shop with me. Like to garden, this is the section for you, or for your mothers. Now we're gonna go look at some crafts and some candles pretty soon. do love scarves. So as you can see, I'm gonna get them the same scarf. The hair care beauty section. I will get some things for them as well as myself. I'm in the line now, ready to check out. You see the social distancing, 6 feet apart. This is really cool. Now I'm leaving the store. Hold on, I got a message for you at the end. That's how much I spent, $56 for everything. But I got a lot of stuff, not just for my mother's, also for the house. So I just got done shopping. So I hope you liked the video. And if you did, make sure you subscribe, turn that notification bell on, like, comment, and share this video. So we trying to grow. I thank you very much for watching. Until next time, peace.